Former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu and his wife Susan Wangari failed to appear in court on Monday, June 5, 2023, for their corruption trial involving a 588 million shillings road construction tender. Their lawyer, John Swacker, informed Milimani Chief Magistrate Thomas Nzioki that Waititu was hospitalized at Aga Khan Hospital after collapsing at home the previous evening. Swacker mentioned that Susan Wangari, who is also an accused in the case, had taken Waititu to the medical facility. The lawyer assured the court that he would provide medical documents to prove Waititu's hospitalization. Magistrate Nzioki granted an adjournment until Tuesday, June 6, 2023, and instructed the lawyer to present the medical documents. He emphasized that all the accused, including Wangari, must appear in court. The trial was scheduled for further hearing, during which a documents examiner was expected to testify. This witness would present evidence on the examination of tender evaluation reports and payment vouchers signed by a county government official. Additionally, they were set to testify about contract documents and an agreement of sale involving Sika 2 Limited, a company associated with Waititu, and Superior Phone Limited. The purpose was to determine whether Waititu had signed the agreement and to examine the signatures. Waititu was originally charged on July 29, 2019, with multiple offenses, including fraud, conflict of interest, dealing with suspect property, money laundering, and abuse of office. Sika 2 Estate Developers Limited, a company owned by Waititu and Wangari, allegedly received over 25 million shillings from Testimony Enterprises Limited contractor, a firm contracted by the county government for road development through an irregular tendering process. In addition to this count, Waititu and his wife, along with their jointly founded company, Bienvenue Delta Hotel, faced another charge. They were accused of jointly receiving 7.2 million shillings from Testimony Enterprises between October 3, 2018, and January 2019, with the knowledge that the funds were acquired through corrupt conduct involving Kiambu County. Waititu and his wife are among the 8 individuals facing charges in this corruption case. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.